ले लिया, रख लिया, अब क्या करना चाहिए?
Right. But here again I will quote Rakesh ji. He used to say, या तो सट्टा मत करो या तो अफसोस मत करो. If I may take the liberty of paraphrasing Rakesh ji here, I would say that या तो invest मत करो या तो अफसोस मत करो. So the sell decision is important. It's a very rare decision that a terminal value investor will take, but it may need to be taken at the right time. Usually, a sell decision by a terminal value investor would be only when the hypothesis on the basis of which that terminal value framework was built breaks down. There may be some fundamental change that is happening and which breaks that hypothesis. They are very few and far in between, and that's the reason that the average duration of a terminal value investors holding a particular stock would be very long, at least 10 years. Now, this sell decision, apart from breaking of the hypothesis, could also be for a few other reasons which are also very rare. One is where you may find that the relative opportunity of terminal value shifts is far greater somewhere else. In which case, given that none of us has infinite money, you may switch. But again, this is very few and far in between. It is only when you find that you are constrained, that you don't have adequate capital, and that capital you need to allocate to a terminal value shift which is far bigger and better, then you may do so. And the last, and also again very rare, is where you feel that there is insanity in valuations. But let me give you a caveat here. There may be insanity in valuations, and those insane valuations may correct at some point of time. But you must assess before selling whether or not you will be able to buy it back. Don't assume that you will be able to buy it back. What I have found most frequently is that when you do decide to sell terminal value on the basis of insane valuations, the momentum still keeps going, and then maybe it corrects sometime later, but you fail to be able to buy back at that time. So I would really suggest that you look deep into yourself before you take that sell decision. These are the three components of investing, which is buy, hold and sell.